I'm sorry to tell you, but your direct mail is going directly in the trash. Here are 3 steps to make real estate postcards pack your open houses. But first, let's be honest about direct mail. Neighbors are used to seeing the exact same high-gloss HDR photo postcards. And just like you and I, they just sort them right over the trash can. You need a mailer that stops them in their tracks. This is not some random AI hack. This is exactly how we're using it. This exact AI workflow is exactly how we operate our business. Here are 3 steps that we use. Step 1, find inspiration. My wife Devin knows that I'm obsessed with advertising and bought me these classic advertisement books. These things are basically encyclopedias that have the history of all the best ads from decade to decade. Here we have a classic 1980s Apple computer advertisement. Step 2 is the AI prompt. We take that photo of the classic ad and feed it into ChatGPT. Then we take our listing photos and our listing description. We tell AI to match the copy of that ad, the font, the layout, and everything to the classic ad. Step 3 is the deployment. We turn that output into a Canva template for our agents. Then we send 4 mailers in 4 different styles over a 21-day coming soon time period. The first one's for coming soon. Then 3 more spaced out over around 4 to 5 days. The first for Friday open house, second for Saturday open house, third for Sunday open house. The result is neighbors will literally be walking in with stacks of your postcards. And you might be thinking, why would I want all the neighbors coming into the open houses? We tell our sellers nothing draws a crowd quite like a crowd. You want your open house looking busy for the actual buyers that are there. And we have sold a few houses to the neighbors. So what do you think about how this postcard looks? Devin thinks it has too many words. I like it. But then again, Devin listens to Audible, so send this to an agent who thinks AI is just for writing listing descriptions. If you want the full AI setup behind this, comment the word postcard and I'll send it right to you.